Namaste, Hindus of Bharat. Welcome to a place where we dive deep into the heart of our beloved land. I'm here to take you on a journey through time, uncovering the real stories of Bharat and Hinduism. We'll explore the wisdom in our sacred texts, like the Ramayana and the Bhagavad Gita, and celebrate the spirit of those who fiercely defended our traditions. But there was a period, a challenging epoch, when Mughal rulers tried to reshape our spiritual landscape. Yet, amidst these trying times, legends like Shivaji stood tall, ensuring Hinduism's flame never flickered. Let's wipe away what our school books told us about selfish figures like Gandhi and Nehru. Instead, let's shine a light on those real warriors, like Bhagat Singh and his comrades, who gave it all, not for fame or power, but purely for the love of Bharat. Our mission? To discover, understand, and cherish the true essence of Hinduism. From the brave Chhatrapati Shivaji to the leadership of Narendra Modi, and the dedication of the BJP and others towards preserving our heritage. Let's stand united, investigate the real truths, and protect the spirit of Hinduism. Subscribe, join our family, and let's walk this enlightening path together.